Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Dima Rajab and I'm greeting you from Alif B, and it's my pleasure to be with you in the next few minutes to learn together the coordinating conjunctions in the Arabic language, or as they are called in the Arabic language, حروف العطف. Are you ready? Let's get started. Conjunctions in the Arabic language are tools that the speaker uses to link vocabularies and sentences together. So, the purpose of the conjunctions is to link vocabularies and sentences together. Notice the following example. The first sentence. يعمل أحمد كل يوم. يعمل أحمد كل يوم. Ahmed works every day. Ahmed works every day. And the second sentence is يعمل مراد كل يوم. يعمل مراد كل يوم. Murad works every day. Murad works every day. These are two different sentences, but with conjunctions we can connect them to make them one sentence. How can we do that? Not with me. يعمل أحمد كل يوم. يعمل مراد كل يوم. Ahmed works every day. Murad works every day. What does Ahmed do in the first sentence? He works. And what does Murad do in the second sentence? Yeah, he works too. Now we will use conjunctions to connect these two sentences together. So we say يعمل أحمد ومراد كل يوم. يعمل أحمد ومراد كل يوم. Ahmed and Murad work every day. Using conjunctions, we have combined these two sentences and shortened them into one sentence. So, what are coordinating conjunctions? There are four main coordinating conjunctions in the Arabic language, and they are الواو أو ثم والفاء. The first one is الواو. It indicates addition and it's similar to and. For example, دخل خالد وسعاد الصف. دخل خالد وسعاد الصف. Khalid and Suad entered the classroom. Khalid and Suad entered the classroom. Note please the conjunction الواو in the sentence and what the function it did. Let's look to another example. أتناول الخبز والبيض في الفطور. أتناول الخبز والبيض في الفطور. I eat bread and egg in the breakfast. Who can tell me what does this conjunction help us link in this sentence? Right, great, your answer is right. The conjunction الواو has linked the two words bread and eggs and joined them like they were both eaten for breakfast. Now, let's take a look to the second conjunction. The second conjunction is أو, and this conjunction have the similar meaning of the conjunction or in the English language. So, if we say اختر القميص الأبيض أو الأسود. اختر القميص الأبيض أو الأسود. Choose the white or the black shirt. We find that the conjunction أو used to give a choice. Through this conjunction, we found that we should choose only white or black shirt. In another word, only one of them must be chosen, and not both of them. Again, the meaning indicated by the conjunction أو is that you have to choose. Unlike the conjunction الواو, which means both or two things are put together. Let's have another example to clarify the meaning further. هل تشرب الشاي أو القهوة؟ هل تشرب الشاي أو القهوة? Do you drink tea or coffee? Note that the question gives us only two options, which is that you can choose one drink, either coffee or tea, and not both of them. So, the conjunction asks you to make a choice. Now, let's move to the third conjunction. The third conjunction is ثم. ثم. And this conjunction is similar to the English word then. Let's take this sentence for example. دخل خالد ثم سعاد الصف. دخل خالد ثم سعاد الصف. Khalid entered the classroom, then Suad. In this sentence, we understand that Khalid entered the classroom and so did Suad. But because of the conjunction, we understand that Khalid entered the classroom first and then Suad is the one who entered later. And that there's a period of time between Khalid's entering the classroom and Suad's entering. Now, please tell me, what purpose did this conjunction serve in this sentence? Yeah, right. It ordered the events. It also showed that there was an interval between these two events. They were not directly consecutive. So, the conjunction is so important because it signals order and interval between actions. Let's take another example. اكتب وظيفتك ثم اذهب لتلعب. اكتب وظيفتك ثم اذهب لتلعب. Write your homework, then go to play. To link these two sentences, she used the conjunction ثم because it signals order and also interval separating actions. So, it means the child has to write his homework and after that, it means after a period of time, he can go to play. The fourth conjunction is الفاء and it means then, like the conjunction ثم, and it signals order as well. However, this conjunction differs that it does not indicate interval or a period of time between actions. دخل خالد فسعاد الصف. دخل خالد فسعاد الصف. Khalid entered the classroom immediately, followed by Suad. Khalid entered the classroom first and Suad followed him. But because we used the conjunction alpha, we understand that Suad followed Khalid immediately and a period of time didn't elapse between Khalid's entering the classroom and Suad's entry. And this is what we call التعقيب, quick follow-up. Whereas in ثم we had an interval. Let's take another example. لمع البرق فهطل المطر. لمع البرق فهطل المطر. The lightning flashed immediately, followed by the rain. Because the rain falls immediately after the lightning flashes. There are no events separating these actions and there is no period of time between them. So we use the conjunction alpha instead of ثم, which doesn't work here. Now let's remember the meaning of coordinating conjunction one more time. الواو, it means and, it indicates participation. أو, it means or, it indicates a choice. ثم, it means then, it indicates order and an interval. Alpha, it means immediately followed by, it indicates order and a quick follow-up. Now, I would like you to put the conjunction in the appropriate place in these sentences. حضر محمد علي. كان أحمد طفلاً صار شاباً. سقط هاتفي انكسر. أريد أن أصبح معلماً طبيباً. Please write your answers in the comments below. Good luck, and I'm waiting to see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.